Let's go KB! Yeah, KB! Go yo!
Go KB!
Slay! Go Gambao! Go Gambao! Go Daddy!
12 The 12 Sisters in the Giant. Once upon a time, there lived the 12 sisters who grew happily in a rich family. Suddenly, the family turned cold. One day, they went deep into the woods to seek for food and was abandoned by their family. That this would be the new beginning.
And the sisters found out about her true identity. They then left the kingdom. They moved to a new city and met a king who married all of them. And seek revenge on the sisters. One by one. But soon died beside his wife's body and flew together to the next.
Good job, y'all!